Hey girl, it's your girl Sherry Vaughn, and today we're going to be trying out the Beetles nail kit and glue set. These are the nails that I was able to achieve with this set, and it was really easy. It took under 15 minutes for me to apply the nails. I did do a little mini manicure. I am not a professional, we're just going to put that out there now. But I did push back my cuticles and use the cuticle trimmer. Then I also dried my nail bed with alcohol and clipped my nails down. So when you open up the box is pretty, first of all, very eye-catching, given spring. But it has the pamphlet with the instructions and pictures, and of course the nail tips. And then here's the nail glue. And then they also have the UV lamp and the cord. So a lot of people did complain about this cord being short, and it is. But honestly, you know, you do what you gotta do. It's not bad for the price. I did start by sizing my nails, and the nails are super curved. If you don't like curved nails, I would not recommend those nail tips for you. To apply, once you size your nails, you literally just brush it on. It's thick, it's stickier than I thought it would be, but it makes sense. And then from there, you just push it in, like into your cuticle area a little, and then press upwards, and then you hold it and slide it into the lamp. So the hardest part was finding out the angle that I needed to have the UV lamp at so that I could hold the finger. Like, it was just so weird. Just know that you do have to rotate the lamp to find the perfect angle so that you can hold it comfortably. The UV lamp is motion censored. It also has a 60-second timer on it. You're supposed to be curing for 60 or 90 seconds. So that white cap is full of alcohol, and I had the brush. So anytime my cuticle area got flooded with product, I would clean it up before I cured it so it wouldn't harden. Here are my nails once they are cured. And I'm just showing you guys how the shape is in length. And after that, I just went ahead and buffed the shininess off the top of the nails. Literally, I just used a buffer. I didn't use a nail file. I decided it would be smart to use this dollar store nail polish. I don't know what I was thinking. Clearly, I wasn't. And at this moment, I realized, like, ma'am, you cannot paint nails. You don't know how to paint nails. Like, you don't know what you're doing. So I'm like, oh yeah, this looks really bad. So I ended up changing the colors and just keeping one pink nail. And it came out super cute. I was really surprised. So mind you, I did this basically in less than 30 minutes. It took longer because I don't know how to paint nails. I used the Sally Hansen's 203 Buff and Tumble. And then this LA Colors pink nail polish that was horrible to paint on, so hard. And then for my top coat, I used the Sally Hansen's Instant Dry. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to have more cute, fun videos coming to the channel, so don't forget to subscribe.